Hi there, I'm John Bond from Riverwinds Consulting, and this is Publishing Defined. Today I'm going to talk about giving a great poster presentation. So your poster has been accepted and you are going to be presenting at a conference, convention, or at a meeting of interested colleagues. Here are 6 steps to giving a top-notch poster presentation. First, have a tight focus on your subject and message. Be able to summarize your presentation in a single sentence if you had to. Don't try to examine so many different points or subpoints that your main focus gets blurred. Second, when you're creating the actual poster, have a natural flow from your question or thesis statement through your results or findings to your conclusions or interpretations. Make sure the reader's eye will flow from left to right through it in a natural fashion. Third, use great visuals. Most people remember visuals from a poster much more than the text. Spend too much time creating eye-catching visuals that will engage the reader. Fourth, do what is required. Usually there are established guidelines for a poster such as title and presenter's name at the top, references or footnotes at the bottom. Use a large enough font size. Side note, make sure the poster can be read from 6 or so feet away. Do what the guidelines suggest so that if judging is occurring, that you will be judged by the content and presentation. Don't lose points for small technical items. And include your email and contact information on the poster. Fifth, include a great title, an abstract, and a hook. Choose an engaging title that will draw readers in, perhaps be provocative. If possible, include a brief abstract that summarizes your whole poster in 250 or so words. Of course, have a hook that grabs the reader either in the title or on the poster or in your initial comments. Sell what you have. Sixth, so now you have a great poster and people are coming to see it. Practice what you will be saying to your visitors. Shoot to have this be a meaningful interaction about your work. Let people read through the poster, don't read it to them. If a group gathers, talk to them as a group, not individually. Remember to make eye contact and talk simply and slowly. Ask if anyone has any questions. I suggest being prepared with a handout if appropriate, or make a simple shortened URL available for an online version of the poster if possible. And give out your business cards to everyone and get people's contact information in return. See this as a networking opportunity. Finally, poster prizes can be important and can help you gain status with your peers and at work. Take the process seriously and approach it with enthusiasm. Well, that's it. I'm a publishing consultant and work with associations, publishers, and individuals on a host of content-related challenges. Reach out to me at riverwindsconsulting.com with your questions. Hit the like button below if you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, or click on the link to see my video on how to choose the best journal for your paper. And make comments below or email me with any questions. Thanks so much, and take care.